everyone on this auspicious occasion of inauguration of our 1301st branch in the state of Andhra Pradesh. This is a premium branch for the premium people of Lanco Hills area. Lots of residential towers, residential colonies are here. So we welcome all to join us in the journey of this branch. And shopping malls, Asia's biggest shopping mall also is coming up. We welcome all there who will set up shop to join us here in the branch. Bank is providing every product for every segment of society, and across the various channels, physical channels, alternate channels, virtual channels, all things bank is providing. And as on date, bank has become a financial super house also. Besides banking, if you need life insurance, mutual funds, general insurance also, or say credit cards, so all those things are available. We have our group companies which are providing that. For life insurance, we have SBI Life Insurance. Similarly, for mutual funds, we have SBI Mutual Fund. General insurance, SBI General Insurance is there. We have our own credit card company in the group, but it's called SBI Cards. ATMs have been since long fully networked ATMs. Now, latest on that we have brought is cash deposit machine. Cash deposit machine is also online real time, and 24/7 customers can deposit cash up to 49,900. Due to income tax rules, it is limited in one transaction to 49,900. That can be done. For remittance, again, as I said, green remittance card is there. Customer need not have an account. He can avail a card only on limited KYC, filling up one page form. He can have this thing, and that card will be mapped to the account to which customer has to send the remittance. So it's a instant remittance. There is no need to memorize or remember the account number. As soon as you swipe the card, the 11-digit account number automatically comes. No, for bank people, no debit is generated. For them also it is convenient. So it's a green banking also, friendly to the environment. This year we have to open about 35 more branches, which we will be doing within February. 9th February, our Union Finance Minister, Mr. P. Chidambaram, is visiting our corporate center at Mumbai. There, through remote, he will be inaugurating 100 branches in one go. So 9th February, across the country that is. I was talking 35 of Andhra, out of which 15 branches.